To create a dynamic speed ramp effect, start by adding your video clip to the timeline. Identify the point where you want the speed transition to begin, then cut the clip using Ctrl+K. Next, right-click on the second segment and go to Speed Duration. Adjust the speed to 3000% for a rapid acceleration. To maintain smooth motion, scroll down to Time Interpolation and select Optical Flow. Now move the timeline playhead near the end of the fast motion section and create another cut. Right-click this new segment, go back to Speed Duration, and reset the speed to 100%. Change the time interpolation back to frame, sampling to restore normal playback. With these steps, you've crafted a seamless speed ramp effect, giving your video a professional, cinematic touch in Premiere Pro. This effect works even better on 60 frames per second videos, as the higher frame rate allows for smooth motion and improves the interpolation quality when using Optical Flow.